Welcome to the secrets of building a super fast computer. Whether you're looking to learn to build a gaming PC or a high-spec work computer for software development, this is the course for you. Discover the very latest in technologies for blistering fast performance and breathtaking lighting effects. My name is Bruce and I'll be leading you through the course. I have over 25 years experience in professional software engineering, where I work with some of the best and most talented people in the industry. To support my endeavours, I've always built my own gaming and work computers. This gives me the freedom and flexibility I need. I'm also a Udemy premium instructor with over 20,000 students studying my courses. I've designed this course for anyone seeking to design and build their very own ultimate PC. You'll gain a solid understanding in which parts are best and how to decide which are the best parts for your budget. I walk you through every major step in building your own PC. I do this by walking you through my very own build and showing you which expensive pitfalls to avoid. I also show that with a little extra planning and thought up front, we can future-proof our build, making it much easier to upgrade our system further down the line. I also go some way to help remove some of the fear and hype around overclocking. At the end of this course, you'll be able to talk confidently with friends and colleagues about how to build an amazing PC. I'll show you the safest way to choose compatible parts. Not only will I describe the detail of putting a build together and the technologies involved, but I'll also be performing and walking through my very own build with you. I shall be walking through the entire process step by step. The ideal student for this course is anyone looking to feel the thrill and satisfaction of creating their very own PC. There are no requirements to enrol. I only ask that you come open-minded and ready to learn.